Hi, my friends, welcome back. Ruby here. So, today we are going to try this out. I have this um, hair grease for a while. I wasn't using it, so I want to revisit this hair growth oil grease for my hair. So, I just want to say if it's your first time here, welcome to the channel. And if you're not subscribed, do subscribe to my channel. So, this is an African hair grease, you guys. I think it made in Ghana. Now, the name of this oil is Jeba Natural Hair Food, and they said it promotes hair growth. So this grease is not really popular on YouTube, and it's not popular. You have to go to the African store to get something like this. And I remember I bought this at the African store, I think last year, but it expired date is 2025. So I am revisiting this, you guys, and I'm going to twist my hair today with it. So if you want to see, continue watching, my friend. So let's show you how this grease is, how it look inside. But before it say it stop dandruff, it also stop hair breakage, and it prevent baldness. So if you have a bald spot, try it out and see how it goes. It's a massage Jeba hair food into play hair and relax hair, natural hair and bald spot. For bald hair, apply warm towel and massage through for a good result. Great style and also good look. So I'm not going to put a warm towel. I think I have an cap dry your hair. After doing this, I am going to put it over my head with a plastic cap and let it stay there for a while. So this is it, you guys. Let's do this, my friend. So this is the product here. You can see you have a lot of herbs in it, you guys, and it's smell great. When I tell you it smells great, it smells great. So let's start out by applying this stuff to my hair. So I am going to start to apply it to the front of my hair. And I'm gonna keep you, if my hair is grow or the bald spot, and like how I have problem with my edges, I'm gonna keep you up to date. I mean, after 1 month, and show you how my hair looks. So this is my hair now. This is it, so thick, you guys. Some people think that grease is bad for your hair, but as for me, I don't. I don't think so, because I grew up on grease. That's the only thing my mom ever knows to do is shampoo my hair and add grease to my hair. So guys, I am going to go under my dryer, then twist my hair, and then I'm gonna comb back. So my friends, I am finished twisting my hair. So what I do, I always like to plait up here and then twist the rest of it come down. This is my hair, and as I said, I am going to try this grease out for a month and see how it goes, because they said it promote hair growth. It's also good for bald spots. So like how my edges them are not in place, I am going to just use this and moisturizer, and also wet my hair and apply this to my hair from this grease smell amazing, you guys. The scent of it smell like a candy, you know, some nice really delicious candy. That's how this smell, but this is how it is. And as I said, it's an African hair grease, and it's promote hair growth. This is a hair food, is Jeba natural hair food. It promotes hair growth. They say it's good for dandruff and also this thing. And this is 380 gram. So this is it, you guys. After after I grease my hair, I did go under my dryer for about 10 minutes, and then I come out back and I started to twist my hair. No, because my hair wasn't wet. This is what I got after finish partying and twisting my hair. This is what I got come out of my hair. So, and then for the front here, if you see it look away, this is also one of my favorite hair gel that I use for my hair. I use this if I'm doing a braid, or if I'm doing a twist, just a twist, I use this, and this just keep my hair twist for long. So this is African black castor oil magic for braid and locks and twists gel. So this is something that I always use. So if you see my hair, the front of my hair look a little bit different, that's what I put in it. But as for this grease, I am going to try it out for a month. I'm gonna see how much it does change my edges and how much growth I got. I'm not gonna do any more on this until after a month. So this is my hair now that reached me here, right here. So hopefully I will get some inches, because they say it's growth. It's a hair growth oil, and also as they said, it's stop dandruff. It also stop hair breakage, and it prevent baldness. So I am going to try this out. So I just want to say thank you so much again for watching. God bless you. Please subscribe, and I will see you in my next upload. Stay beautiful, stay blessed. Remember, kindness is the key, and I will see you soon. Ciao.